How to remove your phone number from Facebook search. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will be teaching you how you can remove your phone number from Facebook search. So if you ever tried typing in your mobile number to Facebook search and your profile just pops up, and if you don't want that and if you want to keep it a bit private, what you'll have to do is remove your phone number from Facebook. So head over to your Facebook, locate your Facebook app, and then open it up. After you open up your Facebook, you will then need to go to your settings and privacy. To do that, tap on your menu icon on the top right. That is the three lines with your profile icon. Then tap on the gear icon right below it, and you should be on your settings and privacy. After you're there, head over to your accounts center. After you're on your account center, you can then go to personal details under your account settings. After you tap on it, you'll find the contact info option. Tap on your contact info. And after you do that, here if you have a mobile number, you can simply remove it. So if you have it, tap on it and you'll find the delete number option, like you have a delete email address option. So simply tap on that and remove your number from there. As you can see, I've already done that, and yeah, you might have to confirm your identity by entering your password and may need to enter a code that is sent to your email before the number is permanently removed. So go through all that and you will have removed your phone number. And that's how you do it, and that is basically it for today's video. I hope you found the video helpful, and if you did, leave a like down below and stay tuned for more. Thanks for watching. Bye bye and take care.